My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle has done just over 71,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control, voice control, and automatic headlights. On the touchscreen, to the left, we can access phone connection, media, and radio. To the right, we can access our navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, and vehicle status. If we put it into reverse, we can see that it has Park Pilot. We also have heated seats on either side, and the Golf GTI comes with 4 different driving modes. With the vehicle being the GTI edition, it has a 2-litre TSI engine reaching 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.